the snowstorm. Give credits to it's Toka Alice for Alice. It's Toka Alice. Her user and profile will be put on the screen, so make sure to go like and subscribe to her channel. She does amazing Toka Boka content. I'd rather take inspiration from her because she's an amazing YouTuber. I believe in It's Toka Alice, and give credit to her because of her roleplay. And on my iPad before this video, I was literally watching It's Toka Alice's YouTube channel because it's so interesting. Like all the roleplays she does, and it's so good. My tablet is right here, and it has a cover on it. But yeah, maybe I'll tell you one of her videos at the end, but I'm not quite sure. So let's get into the roleplay. Let me look up some skincare. Why is it getting pretty cold? I should go to Mom about this. Mom, why is it getting pretty cold? What do you mean? It's really warm. Oh, I get what you mean. It's getting really cold. We need to make sure all of us are wrapped up. Get the biggest blanket you can find in the house. Mommy, we're cold. Yes, we know, sweetie. We know. Just make sure your sister's okay. Why on earth is it so cold? I don't like it. Stay in your rooms and get wrapped up. We need heating, okay? Just maybe we should all stay in Mommy's room. Yeah, let's all stay in Mommy's room. They all stayed in their mom's room till they could figure out what was going on. Oh my gosh, why's the baby there? Man, let's just leave it. I'm so sorry. It's too cold. It's almost the middle of the night. Sissy, do you think you can check your phone on the news or what's going on? Okay, let me just try to sneak back into my bedroom. Where's my phone? Come on, phone. You have to be here somewhere. I'm not looking for skincare right now. Maybe my iPad can work. Guys, what is it? You won't believe what I just found on the internet. What is it? Tell us. We're having a snowstorm and it lasts for 3 hours. I'm scared, Mommy. I'm scared. Don't worry. We'll be okay, White. We'll be okay. Yes, you'll be okay. No one is dying today. Just need to make sure we all stay in Mommy's room. Brother, you can stay here and play. Sissy, you can come up to bed and play with me. We'll try relax. The snowstorm gets bigger. Wait. Hun, what are you doing in this elevator? Why is it not opening? Why is the elevator not opening? Guys, your sister is stuck in the elevator and it's jammed. Sissy stuck in the elevator? Mommy, I just broke my Apple Pen. I'm not buying another one for sure, because you know how much that cost me. I had to buy your sister Balenciaga too. I'm not buying any more. Okay, Mommy, I just used my hands. Maybe I can fix it. Nobody's leaving this room except for me because I am the grown-up. Why is this door not opening? Gosh, this is driving me crazy. I'm sweating. I don't know what to do. I'm panicking. News turned on. Nobody leave the house. I repeat, nobody leave the house. If people are stuck, we're getting people to come save you outside. I repeat, no one leave the house. I'm so scared. I just hope we're okay. I really hope we're okay. guys, stay calm, stay calm, stay calm, stay calm. Mommy, I'm scared. Yeah, so am I. Well, brother, you can stay in my seat with Sissy. Mom, I hope we're okay. That's all I hope. Your sister is locked in here, and I have nothing that could get her out. The dogs are here with us, and Mr. Machion is just chilling. So what are we supposed to do? I'm literally stressed. Your sister is going to die there. Maybe I can help? Yes, try. Just try, girl. Try. Ah. I got her, mother. How did you do that? Well, let's just say some karate skills helped. Now let's try help her. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, baby. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, girl. Hey. Wait, your iPad says that it's going to be over in 10 minutes. I mean, your iPad says it's going to be over in a minute. So the snowstorm is going to be over in a minute. So, yeah. I'm actually really happy about that. Give me one of your pens. Lizzie, give me your pen. Oh, the snowstorm's finally over. Yeah! Wait. Yay! It's over. Back to normal life. Thank gosh. Oh my goodness. Yay! Hope you guys enjoyed. Wait. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I'm really sorry I haven't been posting a lot. I'm just trying to keep the consistency for you guys and for the love of my subscribers on my channel. So I absolutely appreciate that you like and subscribe. And I will now do my outro. Bye!